In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluestacks crashing on PC. So the first thing you need to do is you need to uninstall it and reinstall it again. So you need to go to search and then click on settings or search for it. And after that, go to installed apps and then search for Bluestacks. And here you will see the three dots. Uninstall it and this one too. And then after that, reinstall it again. And then once you installed it, go to this app which is Bluestacks, and after that, go to settings, and then you will see the performance settings here. In CPU allocation, I recommend go to medium, and then in memory allocation, I recommend you to use 4 GB, 2 GB, and 1 GB based on your performance on computer. And then in performance mode, I will recommend to use a low memory or balance. And then go to display, and here you will see the display resolution. Choose the resolution that fits on your computer. So for example, I will choose this 1920 x 1080. In pixel density, I will recommend you to use the 240 dpi or 320 dpi. And then in graphics, you will see the graphics render here. So I will recommend you to use the Vulkan and OpenGL. And then in interface renderer, I will recommend you to use OpenGL. And then in ASTC, you will disable it if your computer has an issue. And then in GPU in use, make sure to turn this on. And then after that, click on Save Changes. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.